Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook page name with the new update or new process. Actually, when we create Facebook page, that time we gave some name, right? And later we need to change that Facebook page name. So if you really want to learn how to change your Facebook page name, then please watch full video carefully. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. And I will also ask you that please follow this Facebook page, because every day I will upload a video in that page, so you can learn many things from that Facebook page. So let's go for the process. So first of all, you will need to go to Play Store and make sure your Facebook application already up to date. So after updating your Facebook application, just click here open option, and right now you need to click here three dot line. Then you need to find pages option. So in the above you can see my pages option, but if you don't find, then click here see more and you will find this pages option. Okay, so let me click on that page option. And right now I want to change this Facebook page name, which is iTech 1. Okay, so let me click on it, and after that you can see in here switch profile. So you need to switch it first. So let me click on it, and after that again click here your profile icon, then scroll down, then click here settings and privacy, then settings, then scroll down, and you can see in here page setups, right? So let me click on it, page setup, then click here name option. Okay, so let me click on it, name option. And if you change your name, you can change it again for 60 days. Okay, so you need to remember these things. Okay, so let me choose another name from this name. Okay, so I choose this name, which is iTech. Okay, so let me click here review change in the bottom, and you can see my current page name is iTech 1 and my new page name is iTech. Okay, so let me click here submit for approval, and you can see it sends some OTP code to my WhatsApp. So if you don't have WhatsApp on that number, then you need to click here try another way, and then click here see more option, and after that you can choose here text message option. Okay, so let me choose that one, text message, then click here continue, then choose that number. So let me choose my first one, and after that let me click here continue option, then wait for a few seconds. It will send some OTP code to your phone number, so collect that code. So wait for a few seconds. So you can see it's give a call. Okay, so let me receive that call. So after receiving that call, I get some code number in here. So let me click here continue option, and right now you can see your name will be updated automatically if approved. So it's automatically submit for approved. So wait for few days or few hours, and your name will be changed after reviewing that. Okay, so that's it guys. So by this easiest process you can change your Facebook page name easily. So thank you so much for watching this video.